Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we will see MLIL 001 Introduction to Computers and PGD-LAN assignments. Okay, so here we will see the fourth number question. Create a file in MS Excel containing names of 20 students with their marks in 5 subjects. Add a bar chart to present this data. This question is for 10 marks, and if you want solutions of all of the questions of this assignment MLIL 001, or if you want solutions of complete paid assignments of PGD-LAN assignments, so for this you can contact us on WhatsApp at this given number which is showing on your screen right here, 900-936-8238. Simply send us direct message on WhatsApp. We will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, and if you want solutions of any other assignment also which you are pursuing, so don't worry, we will provide the paid solutions of that assignment also. So just contact us on WhatsApp for any questions. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching.